Do you also want to create cool AI transitions? And that too using only ChatGPT and Google Labs Flow AI? First, you'll need to generate an image prompt. You can create your own prompt, or you can use the prompt we provided. After that, ChatGPT will generate the image for you. Now it's time to create an image to video prompt for your animation. Once both things are ready, simply open Google Chrome and launch Flow AI from Google Labs. Import your image there, then paste your image to video prompt. After that, select your resolution and AI settings and click Generate. Make sure to use Veo theme quality for the best cinematic results. Once the video is generated, your result will look something like this. Now you can edit the video however you want inside Adobe After Effects and create your own unique transition style. Thanks for watching.